Now I will take you through a walkthrough to find an SMA course on our Learning Center. First, you will go up to the top bar and navigate to the Learning Center. Once you are here, you will be able to search for SMA courses by full name, abbreviation, SMA, or course title. Today, we will look up Stop the Bleed. Then click on Stop the Bleed. You will be able to see a course summary, a target audience, learning objectives, and additional information. On the side, you will be able to see the amount of credits, the course open and course expiration, if there are ratings, or if we'd like to bookmark this course. Then you'll be able to go to the next tab, which is Faculty, and see the faculty involved in this course, the accreditation for this course, and to register to take this course. Click Take this course. You have successfully been enrolled in the course. The course instructions say, "Thank you for registering for Stop the Bleed. Once you have completed this activity, you will receive an email from customer service at sma.org with your certificate, and our virtual assistant will process your certification of completion within 72 hours. We'll let you know when the certification has been sorted, categorized, and accredited to your Mocingbird profile." Now we can start the course. So the format of this course is a video, so we'll click the Stop the Bleed. Here you will be able to see the full video. Next, you will be taken to your CME quiz, where you will complete every question. Next, we will go into the evaluation. This evaluation is the same across all courses. We were awarded 0.5 AMA PRA Category 1 credit.